Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread leche flan. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready and your workspace organized. This delicious dessert is a delightful fusion, offering a unique twist on a classic. We'll start by preparing the caramel, which forms the base of our flan. This initial step is crucial for achieving that signature sweet, slightly bitter flavor that perfectly complements the creamy custard. To begin, combine about 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar with 2 tablespoons of water in a saucepan over medium heat. Cook without stirring until it turns a rich, golden brown. Immediately pour this hot caramel into your chosen baking pan, tilting it to coat the bottom evenly. Next, prepare your bread by tearing or cubing 4 slices of stale bread into small pieces, setting them aside for later. Now, let's create the creamy custard. In a blender, combine 5 large eggs, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for flavor. Blend until smooth, then incorporate your prepared bread pieces, allowing them to soak for about 10 minutes. Pour this mixture over the hardened caramel in your baking pan. Bake in a water bath at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 50 to 60 minutes, or until a knife inserted comes out clean. Once baked, carefully remove your bread leche flan from the oven and let it cool completely at room temperature. This prevents cracking and ensures a smooth texture. For the best results, refrigerate it for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. When ready to serve, run a knife around the edges and invert it onto a serving plate. The caramel will beautifully cascade over the flan. For more great deals and to find the Oala water bottle, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy this delightful dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.